Thank you for taking the time to visit our website. We appreciate your interest in what we do and hope you found the information helpful. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about our services, please don't hesitate to reach out. We'd love to hear from you.
To pick the right protection plate color, decide if you want it to match your existing elements for a seamless look or contrast for a bold statement. Then select a finish, like polished brass, satin brass, ultra white, dark brown, black, or aluminum, that complements the door, hardware, and overall home style. For high-traffic areas, consider a darker, durable color that hides dirt. 1. Match for a seamless look. Blend with cabinets. Choose a color or finish that matches your kitchen cabinets for a uniform, integrated appearance. Coordinate hardware. Match the kick plate finish to your door handles, hinges, and other hardware for a cohesive, elegant feel. Neutral tones. Opt for neutrals like black, white, aluminum, or dark brown to blend with existing brick, paint, or woodwork. 2. Contrast for a bold statement. Pop of color. Use a bright, vibrant color like polished brass, satin brass to add personality and liven up a space. Modern twist. Pair black kick plates with white cabinets for a classic modern look. Complementary colors. Select a color that complements your front door or other prominent features in the entryway. Step-by-step removal of PVC protective film. Locate a corner. Find the edge of the protective film and use a fingernail or a non-scratch plastic scraper to lift a corner. Peel slowly. Pull the film away from the surface at a steady, slow pace, ideally at a 45-degree angle. Apply heat if needed. If the film tears or resists, gently warm it with a hairdryer or steamer, which softens the adhesive and makes it easier to pull off. Be careful not to overheat the area, especially if it's a painted surface. Address stubborn adhesive. If residue remains, dampen a soft cloth with a mild solvent, such as rubbing alcohol or WD-40, and rub the area to help dissolve the adhesive. Clean the surface. After all the film and adhesive are removed, wash the kick plate with clean water to remove any solvent residue and ensure the surface is clean. How to measure. For a kick plate, measure the door's width and subtract 2 inches for the kick plate's width, ensuring clearance with the door jamb, and measure from the bottom of the door up to any paneling or obstruction for the height, choosing a standard 6 or 8 inch height based on preference and door design. We can custom cut any size plate up to 20 inches by 48 inches by. Measuring steps. Measure the door's width. Open the door and measure the entire width of the door from end to end. Calculate the kick plate's width. Subtract 2 inches from the door's width to determine the width for your kick plate. This creates a small border, or reveal, so it doesn't interfere with the door frame or weather stripping. Measure for the height. Measure from the bottom of the door upward to the point where you want the kick plate to end. This is often the bottom of the first decorative panel or window. Choose a height. Standard kick plate heights are 6 inches or 8 inches, but you can choose based on your door's panel configuration and desired aesthetic. Key considerations. Door condition. Ensure the door surface is clean, dry, and free of dirt, wax, or grease for proper adhesion. Acclimation. Allow the kick plate and its adhesive to acclimate to room temperature for 24 hours before installation. Placement. Use painter's tape to temporarily hold the kick plate in place before final installation to ensure correct alignment. How to clean a door kick plate? First, wipe it with warm soapy water and a soft cloth to remove loose dirt. For tougher grime, use a specialized cleaner or a homemade solution like equal parts white vinegar and water, or a vinegar and baking soda paste for tarnish. Always dry the plate thoroughly afterward to prevent water spots. For routine cleaning, use mild soap and water. Wipe the kick plate with a soft cloth dipped in warm water with a little dish soap. Wipe away residue. Use a clean, damp cloth to wipe off all soap and dirt. Then dry it completely with a separate clean cloth to prevent water spots.